Hello, welcome back to Closing Bell on the 14th of September 2020 on the Monday. Stock market has been doing really well today. So firstly, it's mainly due to AstraZeneca's trial resuming in the UK on the Monday. But in the US, it still needs to take until midweek before the trial can resume. But it's all positive on the vaccine sentiment front end, on the possibility of everybody coming back to normal. So there is a vision in front of us. Secondly, Oracle, Nvidia, very popular hot stocks at the start of the market, going up to as high as 10-11% and then decline back to the round about 5 to 6% for both stocks at the end of the market. So there's been a lot of sell-off right at the top, people thinking that it's not ready to go up that high, and hence the sell-off. And then next, for the hidden gems, the stocks have gone up and people has really kept quiet. Tesla, 12%, not really quiet, but it's gone up. For what reason? Not really what we know, but I suppose people are buying back in. And then you got Pinterest at 6%. Why is Pinterest up? Honestly, I cannot find a valid reason why they're up. There's loads of insider selling, but it's still on the up. So something is going on. Somebody knows something that we don't know. And the third one, DraftKings, DKNG, up 17%. So DKNG went up today because they have got a collaboration with ESPN, also Disney. Therefore, they're up on a 17%. And DraftKings are regarded as one of these recovery stocks. Sports are back in town, guys. And it's about time people get the normality, people can watch sports on TV and start betting again. That's everyone's pastime, and I think it's bigger this time. And the next part, do you know that scientists managed to discover or claim that there's life in the planet Venus? And surprise, surprise, the financial stock market is a part of the rally as well. So space travel stocks, the likes of Space, Virgin Space, Tail, Airbus, Boeing, BAE, Raytheon, they're all up today. For what reason? Because of space travel. So that's up and nobody really spoke about this, so I thought I'd share that with you. And then finally, I'm going to pin the last video on the opening bell, G. Bennett. So one of our viewers have came up with really good explanation on and sharing his views on Nvidia. He says that Jensen Huang is one of the best CEO. I agree. He is also like Elon Musk, but a bit more quiet, but as smart as Elon Musk, founder of Nvidia. That's why Nvidia is up to the biggest chip maker in the world, beating the likes of Intel, AMD, because of a one man who's been there for the last 25 years. I agree with you, Jim Bennett. And Mr. G. Bennett also shared that if you can't afford to buy Nvidia, you can buy index like BOTZ and RQ, which is absolutely right. So thank you very much for sharing that. And also the last statement I like about what he says is Apple is still Apple. You know what he means, and I agree, is always own Apple, do not trade Apple stocks. And people always ask me, Alex, when do I buy Apple? You can buy Apple whenever you can afford to. When you see it dip, buy Apple. I agree, G. Bennett. So thank you very much for the pinned comment of the day. So anybody on the opening bell, always write your comments and I'll bring it up in closing bell and share it to everyone. So thank you very much for your time. And the next thing I'll be focusing on are Microsoft, Adobe, AMD. Those are the stocks that I've not really spoke about, with Adobe doing the earnings pretty soon. So I want to share my views. And with Microsoft losing on TikTok, I want to share my views on the buying trigger points. And also, don't forget AMD. We've got always speak about Nvidia, but what about AMD? Why is Lisa Su and AMD so hot? So this is what I'm going to be focusing on. But if any more comments, leave below. So hope to see you guys again tomorrow morning on Opening Bell. See ya. Take care. Bye.